Are you trying to decide between Salla and Shopify for your online store? You're not alone. Many people face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two popular e-commerce platforms. Both help you create and manage an online shop, but they have different features and pricing. Let's start with Salla. This platform is designed specifically for the Arab market. It offers easy setup and supports Arabic language. Salla is great for small businesses looking for a simple way to sell online. You can customize your store with themes and manage orders smoothly. Now, let's look at Shopify. This is a global giant in the e commerce world. Shopify is known for its user friendly interface and powerful tools. It supports various payment methods and offers many apps to enhance your store. Shopify is ideal for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. So, what are the main differences? Salla focuses on the Arab market, while Shopify has a broader international reach. Shopify has more advanced features and integrations, but Salla is simpler to use for local businesses. When it comes to features, Shopify shines with its extensive app store and customization options. Salla offers essential features that are straightforward and easy to use. In terms of pricing, Salla tend to be more affordable for small businesses. Shopify can be pricier, but it offers more flexibility and advanced tools. In the end, if you're a small business in the Arab region, Salla might be the better choice. If you want a more robust platform with global capabilities, go for Shopify. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.